Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Transit custom grille. First, gather your tools, including a T20 torque screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Make sure your van is parked on a level surface with the engine off. It's also a good idea to protect the surrounding paintwork with some masking tape to prevent any scratches during the process. Now let's remove the old grille. Begin by locating the retaining screws, usually around 6 to 8 of them, often T20 torque screws, along the top edge of the grille. Once these are out, use your trim removal tool to carefully unclip the grille from its mounting points. Work your way around the edges, applying gentle pressure to release all clips, then pull the grille straight out. With the old grille removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully align the new grille with the mounting points on your Ford Transit Custom. Gently push the grille into place, ensuring all the clips engage and click securely. Once the clips are seated, reinsert and tighten the retaining screws along the top edge. Make sure everything feels snug and secure. Before you finish, perform a final check. Ensure all the clips are firmly engaged and every screw is tightened. Give the new grille a gentle tug to confirm it's securely mounted and properly aligned. Take a moment to admire your work and clean off any fingerprints or smudges from your new grille. You've successfully changed your Ford Transit custom grille, enhancing its look.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.